If you're looking to build a source of passive income or boost your affiliate commissions, then using the right links makes a huge difference. This is Isaac with Geniuslink, and in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Geniuslink and build genius affiliate links. So let's check things out. Alrighty, so let's get that 5-minute timer started now. All right, so first what we're going to want to do is navigate to geniuslink.com. That's our homepage right here. You can check out some of our features. I'm going to click join. So those first 2 weeks of our service are going to be completely free. And if you cancel before then you will not pay a single dime. Agree to the terms and conditions, click submit. First name Isaac, last name Mayor. That's me. I'm interested in earning commissions. I'm gonna click this so I can get our newsletter, which always has some helpful blogs and announcements. And that's great. We just created my account and now I can just navigate to my Gmail. Super quick and easy to verify my account, just like that. We're all verified. All I have to do now is enter my payment info. So we're going to blur this out. Easy peasy. You now have access to your affiliate dashboard, and now it's time to grab our first Amazon Associates ID. All right, so we go to Amazon Associates Central. And bam, you can see I'm already logged in. We have some of this blurred out, but you can find your ID in the top right hand corner. Just get that, just like that, and you can copy and paste it out. Go to your affiliate page, and here's where you can add your different affiliate programs for auto affiliation. And add a program. This is for Amazon US. You can see how many different programs we have here. Taking my time because this is pretty quick and easy. Very confident I can get it in under 5 minutes. Gonna connect that program. Bam. All right, we've now set ourselves up with an Amazon US account. So let's go to amazon.com and find ourselves a link. How about the Nintendo Switch? Terrific. Let's do this gray one. I like the gray personally. All right, bam, we're gonna grab that link and then go to our Geniuslink dashboard, go to your links page, and easy peasy, enter that URL, and you can set a custom vanity code. So I'm gonna do switch it up. All right, just like that. And oh, what's this? I can even create a choice page. Choice pages have been known to boost commissions significantly since people have storefronts that they prefer to shop with. And look at that, offered on all these different stores. And I am going to click save. And in just a moment, here's that link. So now we can click it. And now I'll be taken to this beautiful choice page. Takes me to the right Amazon storefront and uses the right Associates ID. All right, so you can see right there, that is the tag that we just used. And here's that page. So now if someone were to buy this Switch, I would get that wonderful affiliate commission. And it's as simple as that. Let's see what the time's at. I can't see because the timer isn't actually there to be entered with editing. But yeah, very quick and easy. You can sign up for Geniuslink, grab that Associates ID. You will need to grab multiple if you're doing multiple countries. Grab your link, and then now I can post this Geniuslink wherever I want, and people will be taken to a choice page that will dramatically improve my affiliate commissions. Thanks for joining me today. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we hope to see you soon so that you can start building your source of passive income or boosting your affiliate commissions. Till next time, see ya.